flip phones. Mods to Samsung. I have no idea what this is. All I know is it's a Samsung. It's on Affinity Cellular. But this phone is pretty darn weird. Because it says it's on Affinity Cellular. You've probably already seen it. But it plays the Verizon startup sound. Now, why could that be? This was covered up, by the way. The manufacturer, the Affinity Cellular, covered this up. They actually did. So let's go ahead and take a look through the phone. So we got contacts, messages, recent calls, internet, media center. Excuse me? Oh, it is a camera. See how well it takes pics. It's alright, I guess. Yeah, mates, this is a Samsung Gusto 3. I lied about not knowing what it is. Anyways, yeah, and this thing's from 2013. We're gonna go ahead and scratch that off. Using it's scratching up the rubber. No, I'm gonna do this off screen. A few even deeper grooves at a level 7 later. I knew it. I knew it. Yep. It's an imposter.